The mission of FIB is to act as a bridge between research and practice. And we proposed these short project notes to support this mission. We want to create a forum for practicing engineers to share short notes about important and innovative projects, so that this information can reach the wide global audience that Structural Concrete enjoys. As editor-in-chief, I'm looking for descriptions of new projects, being recently completed or under construction. And what I really want to see are the innovative aspects of design or execution. Submissions are limited to 2 printed pages, including images, so you will need to be concise and really focus on what is novel. Moreover, a length of 2 pages requires only a limited effort from the authors. Full instructions about how to prepare your short project note for submission are available in our guidelines for authors on the Wiley website. Make sure you clearly indicate that your submission is a short project note. I assigned submissions to a member of the advisory editorial board, and he or she reviews the suitability of the proposal for publication and suggests any necessary revisions. It is worth noting that Wiley offers English editing services to help polish your proposal. Once any necessary revisions have been made, I send the accepted manuscript to Wiley for production. Structural Concrete issues are published 6 times a year, so it can take a few weeks for your short project note to appear online and later on in print. That being said, as soon as the article is online, you can share links to it with your colleagues, so they can read it. I really look forward to receiving your short project note.